everyone, this is Rachel with Texas Legacy Apparel, and I just wanted to hop on today and do a quick tutorial of how you can take our regular unisex tees and cut the neck and give them a new twist. So the first thing you'll want to do is get your t-shirt, lay it out flat, and get a pair of scissors. The sharpest ones you have will work the best. I happen to sew, so I have sewing scissors, so I'm going to use those. Depending on how wide you cut the neck will determine how much of your shoulder is showing in the shirt. I kind of like to cut mine fairly wide, but I don't want to sit there and have to pull it up all day either. So you can remember, you can always cut off more. You can't put any back on. So remember that you cut it one time. If you don't like it, you can do it again. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut here at the seam of the shirt, and I'm going to slice it out. And usually I like to cut, about an inch or two outside on the seam. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cutting around the neck. And I kind of like to start out wide and then get a little thinner as I get towards the center of the shirt. And then I take that piece once I get to the center and I flop it over and line it up with the other side. That way, I can make sure that it's even on both sides, and it just gives me a nice guide to cut on. So I'm going to cut all the way around, all the way up to the other shoulder seam. Okay, and then I'm going to open that up. So now you can see I did not cut the back of the shirt while I was doing this. If you cut the back of the shirt, what happens is the shirt will hang off of you like in a kind of an annoying way. You'll have to hang it up. So what I like to do is I like to take from here to here, and I'll cut straight across the back, right at the top where the tag is. Just cut straight across from corner to corner where I cut it. So that's my next step, is to cut it across. And like I said, if you put this on after you're done and you say, oh, I really want it to be a little bit bigger, you can always cut it a little bit bigger on the front, and then you just make the front match up with the back, just like what we just did. So there you go. And now take the tag off, and now I have a nice open neckline, a little bit more of a feminine look. So just wanted to hop on today and show you all that, and that's it. Buy a shirt.